Hello, in this video, we will look at an Arduino SDK demo of a Bluetooth and Wi-Fi application. This diagram shows how data transferred in between mobile app, RTL8722DM mini board, and Wi-Fi router. Ameba sends Bluetooth signal to your phone, then the Wi-Fi config app will send back Wi-Fi information. Now, let's have a look at this demo. We upload the firmware to RTL8722DM mini board and open the serial monitor. Press reset and the RF module started. Find Ameba Bluetooth signal on the app, Bluetooth connected. Select the Wi-Fi you want Ameba to connect. Key in Wi-Fi password. Done. New Wi-Fi is connected. This is the end of this demo.